When I'm sad or mad or happy or whatever, I call you and I need you to be here.
Okay, I know the life that I live. I know how that's gonna end for me.
I'm saying that it was wrong of me to try and change you.
I wanted to stay. I wanted to stay so bad.
No matter how many times that you told me you wanted to leave, no matter how many breaths that you took, you still couldn't breathe. No matter how many nights that you lie wide awake to the sound of the pouring rain. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Heartbeat, a heartbeat, I need a heartbeat, a heart. Tell me, would you kill to save a life? Tell me, would you kill to prove you're right? Crash, crash, fall, let it all burn. This hurricane's chasing us all underground. No matter how many days that I die, I will never forget. No matter how many lies that I live, I will never regret. There is a fire inside and it's heart in a riot, about to explode into flames. Where is your God? Where is your God? Where is your God? You say you wrong, I'm right, you wrong, we fight. Okay, I'm running from the light, running from the day to night. Oh, the quiet silence defines our misery.